Hey, thanks for clicking on the belt tensioner QR code. This is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to track the belt using the belt tensioner bolts. Here you will find the belt tensioner bolts. There's one to the left as well as the right of the conveyor belt. From time to time you might notice the belt tracking slightly to the left or the right. If that happens, you could begin to cover up the vacuum slots that are hidden underneath the belt, covering your airflow. If you find your belt tracking slightly to the left or the right, you are going to want to make very small quarter of a turn adjustments on your belt tensioner bolts, either the left or the right, but generally no need to do both. After making your quarter turn adjustment, you're going to want to wait a few minutes until the belt finds its new home before making any additional adjustments to prevent overcorrection. If you find your belt is slightly off track and you need to move it back to the right, you're going to find your belt tensioner bolt and you're going to make a counterclockwise quarter a turn adjustment. If you need to move your belt back to the left, you're going to do a quarter turn clockwise adjustment. In this demonstration, you can see that our belt has started slightly tracking to the left. So what we're going to do is turn the belt on, and we're going to make a quarter turn adjustment counterclockwise to the belt tensioner bolt. Give that adjustment a few minutes to do its work, letting that belt find home position before making additional adjustments. A few minutes of runtime have elapsed, and you can see the belt is now tracking centered on the roller. To recap, if you need your belt to move to the right, you are going to make a counterclockwise quarter turn adjustment. If you need your belt to move to the left, you are going to make a clockwise quarter turn adjustment.